Everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So in this tutorial, I will tell you what is Otter AI and how to use it. So basically, Otter AI is a powerful transcription service that converts your audio from your lectures, from your meetings, from your interviews, and even from your daily conversations into an accurate text. So whether you are a student or a professional, this will help you work smarter. So when you search on Google Otter AI, the screen will pop up in front of you. From here, you can log into your account and even start for free. For now, I'm going to start for free. And here you can see two options, the basic variant and a business trial free for 7 days. I am going with the basic one. Now you have what you have to do is either synchronize your account with the Google or Microsoft account or create your own one. As I have created my own account, I will just sign in. After signing in, your dashboard will come in front of you. Here you can see this is your dashboard for Otter AI. From here you can record your audio, and from here you can import any audio, any video from your browse, and here you can start your live meetings. As you can see the meetings option, you can record a live meeting here, and you can synchronize your meeting with your calendar, and you can add any action while your meetings. Now I will show you a test recording first. Hi, this is a test recording for Otter AI. As you will speak, your audio will automatically transcribe. I am checking how well the app can transcribe my voice and convert speech into an accurate text. So Otter is mainly used for meetings, lectures, and note taking. Make sure your internet is working perfectly. As I will stop recording, your note will automatically be saved. After processing, you can see your transcriptions. You can see I didn't use any keyboard or typed anything. I just spoke, and this is my transcriptions. And now you can import your audio or video, browse any file. For example, let me take this one. After uploading, you will get your transcriptions. As you can see, it is being uploaded. And now go to transcript, and you have your transcriptions from the browse file. And another features of Otter is Otter AI chat. You can chat anything about Otter. And here is another option, integrations. You can connect your Otter AI account with any other apps, just like Slack, Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoom, Google, and Microsoft. And here is the notification options. You will get your notifications from here. Here are different plans. As I am using basic one, you can get the pro one and the business one, and below here you can see the comparison why pro and business version is better. Here is the channels option. You can create your own channels for your meetings, and you can direct message to any of your friend, and you can create folders about your lecture notes and about your meetings. And moreover, you can invite your teammates, and you can download the mobile app also. So Otter AI is basically not just a desktop um, tool. You can download on your mobile and use it wherever and whenever you want. So this was the Otter AI. It's very easy to use and a very useful tool. Thank you so much for watching.